Hello and welcome to My Alberta Art Studio. My name is Gus. I'm kind of having to overdub this because I had some issues with my recording. Seems I set my overhead camera to slow motion, and when I did that, because I might have been able to fix it, but it also cut the audio out. So um, the only audio I have is the audio from the secondary camera, which is across the table from me. And so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the audio there and try and crank it up a little bit so you guys can hear it. And I cut out the first video that had the sink drain pour that I was going to do, just because I wanted to make sure that we did the one video anyway. The sink drain pour will be the picture that you see as under this recording as the picture anyway. So I hope you enjoy the video and have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Now I have to use it for sure because I got paint on it. Okay, I'm going to throw some base down and just do a straight pour. Sure I'm not. Now, I've got to bring all my cups back. I think I'm just going to use blues, purple, and a yellow. So I ought to get nice greens out of it. Okay. I'm just going to pour it in this cup, just down the sides. I don't know whether you can see. Oh, sorry. Normally I don't do this with a... Okay, so I just put down the blues, the turquoise, the purple, and then the yellow, and I'm just going to go back and do that again. Try and do it under the camera. You know what I might do is just do a flip cut. That's terrifying enough, but that's something I can do. I've done it before, I just don't always make the target. Okay, oh, and then I dropped some yellow. It's alright. Just move the cups out. I'm going to get this paint over, base paint over the canvas again, just so that I if I miss my target, which is the center, then I have some place that I can go with it. Might throw a little more base. There it is. For my cement work, I'm working on building a turntable for my making planter pots. Right now, not done with it. I just got most of the supplies. Have a little bit more coming from Amazon. And then once that's done, I'll show you that. But I'll I'll have another project before then. The wheat just got away on me this time. Okay, I got two little blobs in there. I don't know if they're air or somethings. Oh, they're somethings. Goes the one. Might have been from the white base paint. Okay, I'm gonna give this puppy a bit of a torch before we start. Okay. Just noticed a few air bubbles. It's just probably because I've been throwing it around a little bit. Okay. Now for the tough part. Here's hoping. And I touched the canvas with my fingers. Oh, not too bad. Not quite the center. I can move it over. Just going to leave this for a second to come down. Because I'm in an experimental mood, I'll pull out this Mont Marte Supercell pouring paint. It's in black, lamp black. I might add it to it. We'll see. I like cells, so, and I haven't had too many in my paintings, but I get some things. Just going to pop some of these guys first. Just a couple little ones. You don't want to melt the cup with the torch. Steady your hand, Gus. Steady your hand. Here. Just going to pick it straight up. It's easiest for me to do that. I'll move it over a bit. More centered. I know you're not supposed to let it drip all over the place, but I don't care. Most of the stuff I do, I drip all over the place, so it's not something that everybody can do, you know? Unless they shake like I do. There we go. Well, she has some planetary purposes, possibly. I gotta make sure this thing is rounded. Okay, well, this is going to be even trickier than everything I've done in the past. I have to hold this steady, and which is not my first name. Well, it is my first name because my nickname used to be Steady Eddie. But that was before I started shaking as bad as I am now. Okay. I got some of this on here. And I am going to attempt to swipe it. Just going to put a little more on. Not more on, but more on. There we go. Now, kind of clean it off a bit. Okay. Yeah, this is working out really well. Well, it might be working if I have the knife going the right way. First time, not great, but worked out. I cut some things. I just tilted the knife the wrong way, and or the spatula or whatever it is, tilted it the wrong way, and it dug the paint up. But we got some cells. Wow. Yeah, it
looks cool. I should have done that in the first place. Wow. I'm going to give it a spin. I'm supposed to wait, but no bubbles here. I'm impatient today. I don't want this to be an hour-long video. I'd probably just run that off anyway. It's just a little bumpy over there. Okay. Looks really interesting. Kind of like a space one. Da, 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 da. Oh, that's not going to work. Okay, I'm going to head over to this corner a bit. Make sure I don't lean against the puppy pool. Wow, it's really cool. Yeah. I'm just going to touch up this corner a bit. And then I touched it a little more than I wanted to. There we go. Steady the fingers. There we go. It looks really good. I think next time I do this one, I'll try the swipe again, but I'll have to use a smaller swiping tool because I think the largeness of that one got a little out of interfered a little bit. I wasn't able to watch the whole thing at the same time. Okay, I'm just going to give it a slow spin. It's looking really good the way it is. I'm trying to think of the word that it, not nebula, I don't think. I don't, might be like that. I'll know, and then I'll put it in the description. So I'll take pictures of these afterwards. If I do it now, well, it might give you a headache. It might give me a headache. But I want to thank you for coming. I am just absolutely blown away with the number of subscribers I've got. I'm up to 80 already, as of the last time I looked. And I really enjoy getting your comments. Totally appreciate knowing that that maybe I might be helping some people with all the different techniques that I'm trying. And I'm not an expert, but I do enjoy doing this. And the cement work also. But the cement work, it kind of does me in, especially when you make a 60-pound mushroom on your first attempt in this new season. But I lifted it off the table and I managed to put it on my other table, wait for it to cure for a while so that I'll be able to paint it probably by the end of, maybe the third week of August, somewhere around there. But meanwhile, I certainly enjoy doing this. I didn't think I'd be able to do this out here in the summertime, but if I do it in the morning, it's not so bad, which this is kind of just over the morning. But so God bless to you and your families, and enjoy your week. This is a Wednesday, so got a couple more days. I'll probably have this out on Thursday, which, as I said before, you'll know when it's out because that's when it is. But I truly enjoy doing this type of thing. It's and when it turns out, like this, or I mean, even the other picture was nice. It was just too many colors for me, and I think I maybe should have just when I went around the one time, I should have done it a couple times and not, and waited in between or something like that. But I just, it's not my forte, but, you know, it could be yours, I don't know. But I just want to thank you again, and I'll say goodbye for now, and take care.